Planning your next trip. Master 10 essential phrasal verbs for travel to make your English sound more natural and fluent. Learn how to use expressions like set off, check in, and look around in real-life travel scenarios. Challenge. Which phrasal verb with travel do you use the most? Share it in the comments and practice using it in a sentence. Subscribe for more engaging and practical English lessons every week to boost your vocabulary and fluency. 1. Set off. Definition: to begin a journey. Usage tip: commonly used for starting a trip. Example: we set off early in the morning to avoid traffic. 2. Check in. Definition: to register at a hotel or airport. Usage tip: essential for travel scenarios. Example: we checked in at the hotel around 3 p.m. 3. Take off. Definition: when a plane leaves the ground. Usage tip: always associated with air travel. Example: the flight took off on time. 4. Get in. Definition: to arrive at a destination. Usage tip: common for transportation schedules. Example: what time does the train get in? 5. Stop over. Definition: to stay somewhere temporarily during a journey. Usage tip: perfect for discussing layovers. Example: we stopped over in Dubai for a day before heading to Europe. 6. Drop off. Definition: to take someone or something to a location and leave them there. Usage tip: often used for cars and taxis. Example: could you drop me off at the station? 7. Pick up. Definition: to collect someone or something. Usage tip: commonly paired with drop off. Example: I'll pick you up from the airport at 6 p.m. 8. Get away. Definition: to take a short vacation. Usage tip: perfect for casual conversations about vacations. Example: we're planning to get away for the weekend. 9. Check out. Definition: to leave a hotel after paying. Usage tip: essential for discussing accommodations. Example: we need to check out by 11 a.m. 10. Look around. Definition: to explore a place casually. Usage tip: great for sightseeing scenarios. Example: we spent the afternoon looking around the old town. And there you have it, 10 idioms to help you sound more like a native English speaker. Try using these in your conversations and watch your fluency improve. Which idiom was your favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time on the Phrasal Verbs Education. Bye for now.